Alright, Barron, can you tell me what the cow says? Moo, that's right. What does the horsey say? Yay, that's right. What does the kitty cat say? I don't think that's loud enough. Do it again. What does the kitty cat say? What does the doggy say? And what about the lizard? What does the lizard say? What does the lizard say? Lizard. The lizard says lizard. What does the sheep say? Bah! Okay, what else? What does the baby say? Wah. Oh, wah. Baby, that's right. Who's Barron? You are. Where are your eyes? There they are. You're going to poke your eyes out. Where's your nose? Nose. Where is your mouth? There's your mouth. Where are your teeth? Your teeth? You going to point to my teeth? Those are my teeth. Where are your ears? That's right. Where's your head? Yes. And what about your hair? Yes. And your cheeks? Are those your cute little cheeks?
Barry, you're so smart, man.
Where is your chin? Do you remember your chin? That's kind of a new one. Close. Those are your cheeks. This is your chin right here. This is your cute little chin. Your chinny chin chin. What about your fingers? Fingers? Like these fingers? Like these? What about your hands? Where are your hands? Yeah, we clap with our hands, don't we? And what else? What? Where is Mama? Ah, that's not Mama. That's Barron. Where's Mama? Who's Mama? That's me. Yeah, where's Daddy? There's Daddy. Where is the ceiling? Is it all the way up there? Is that the ceiling? Ceiling. Where is the floor? Where's the floor? I've got pasta all over you. Covered in orzo. Where's the floor? Okay, that was a complete distraction. Oh well, we'll say good job, Barron. High five.
Yay!
Way to go. High five.
Good job, buddy.
Barron, can you give me a high five? High five, good job. High five. Yay! Can you say bye-bye, Daddy? Can you blow Daddy a kiss? Can you blow Daddy a kiss?
Mwah.
Alright, good job.